Okay, so this is video number 2 for structural analysis. Now, if we have daw 3 members connected at their ends, so such as this one, so 3 members, isa, dalawa, pangatlo, so they are connected by at their ends. So mag-form tayo ng isang triangular truss that will be rigid. Now, if we attach 2 more members and connecting these members to a new joint, we will be creating a larger truss. Now, from here, add 2. So, isa, dalawa, and then this 2 is connected to a new joint. Now, if we repeat this procedure as many times as desired to form an even larger truss, and if a truss can be constructed by this procedure, we call this truss as a simple truss. So, pwede natin tong dagdagan. So, nagdagdag tayo ng isa pa, and then isa. Then, let's say magdagdag pa tayo ng isa, and then pangalawa. So, this is nagsimula sa isang triangular truss, and then adding 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. So what we have formed here is a simple truss. Now, moving on, we have 2 methods in solving or analyzing the forces in each member of the truss. So, yung isa, method of joints, yung isa, method of sections. Now, sa method of joints, it is based on the fact that if yung entire truss daw is in equilibrium, if the entire truss is in equilibrium, then we can say that bawat joints din ng truss natin is also in equilibrium. Nagets yun? It's based on the fact that if the entire truss is in equilibrium, then each of its joints is also in equilibrium. Therefore, kung i-draw natin yung FBD ng bawat joint, if we have a joint A, let's say it's from this truss, so may reaction dito. So kung i-draw natin yung FBD ng joint A, so let's say reaction A, then ito isang force, let's say F1, then ito F2. If we draw the FBD of the joint A, ang pwede nating i-apply dito na equilibrium equations para makasolve tayo ng mga unknown is yung force equilibrium equations. Yung kwan lang, summation of force along x equals to 0 and summation of force along y is equals to 0. So wala pang z dyan because we are considering planar truss lang. Mamaya sa space truss, doon napapasok yung along z. Now, can we use the moment equilibrium equations like summation of moment at a certain point here sa method of joints? Now, hindi na. Bakit? Kasi if we draw the FBD, lahat ng forces acting on the joint, they are concurrent. Concurrent sila. So, taking the moment at that point will create actually a zero moment. So, ito lang yung kailangan natin. Summation of the forces. So, force equilibrium lang.